Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be giving you a tour of my garden where I grow my plants in containers, and also I'm gonna be showing you one big lesson I have learned about growing carrots too close together. So stay tuned. So here is our carrot harvest from one of the containers. Look at this. I found this quite funny. These carrots, there's like 1, 2, 3, and another one which I broke trying to pull it out. 4 of them.
They are twisted up.
They're twisted up together. That's right. They're all twisted up together like that. That's funny. They're all a bit small because look at this. They were trying to twist up and getting all. It was our first time because they're baby carrots. It's our first time to grow carrots, and I didn't know what I was doing, so I just planted everything in one little pot, but I realized that they were becoming all so big for the little tiny pot, so I divided them into 3 pots. But the way I divided them is like like you're cutting a cake in 3 pieces, and I took each bunch together like that and planted it.
Can I take off my shoes?
Yeah, give me a minute, Mama. I'll take them off. So that is how they ended up being so clumped up together, because it was all in one bunch and was planted as a, like as it is like that. It wasn't individual. So I think they were just fighting for nutrients in the soil, and they were just so close together, and they were hugging and fondling with each other, and just, yeah, you can see twisted up proper. Like, yeah, I love you too, I love you so much. Oh, I'm not gonna let you go. No, we're gonna make a big carrot. So that's one big, I don't know, not one big carrot, it's all twisted up, but yeah, so nice. I'm happy with that. I'm not quite sure what to do with this. I've been reading that other people say, well, you can make like some kind of pestos with them and all. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna get some kale from my garden, and when I'm frying my kale, I'm gonna just add this in a little bit and see how it comes out. Yeah, I'm gonna see how it comes out, but I'm sure it won't be poisonous. Yeah, so I'm happy with this. It's our first harvest. The baby carrots, they are so delicious, so they still have a good flavor, and it's not a bad size for having in our salads or just steam them. So for anything really, I'm happy with that little bunch. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. So I just wanted to show you how I've planted this. As I told you, this is my first time growing carrots. I wasn't really aware of what I was doing, and I didn't do any research. So this is how I initially it was just in one container, one big container. All this, it was in one big container. Then I realized that it was too much for the container, so I divided them into bunches, and this is just one of the bunch. And as you can see, everything just went right in the middle. As I was transplanting, everything went right in the middle, and I put the soil around it. And here you can see they're all bunched together. You can see some carrots popping. They're ready for harvest, but they're all clumped together, so I do know, I'm aware that they're gonna be a little bit tiny tomatoes, but sorry, not tomatoes, but carrots. Yeah, I've got tomatoes as well here, but these are carrots. And yeah, well, we'll see how this one comes out. You've seen the other batch. they were tiny and curly and twisted, so I should expect somewhat similar result from this. Okay, see ya.